Hello friends, I came back to tell you about the remaining part in differentiation. Today we will learn about some important problems related to 8 marks in question paper pattern. Let's see them. Now the given function y is equal to x root of a square plus x square plus a square into log of x plus root of a square plus x square. Now we will find derivative for the following, that is dy by dx is equal to it is of the form x root of a square plus x square is of the form uv. So dy by dx of uv is equal to uv dash plus vu dash. Here u is equal to x, v is equal to root of x square plus a square. So u dash is 1 and v dash is equal to 1 by 2 root of a square plus x square into inner derivative a square plus x square, that is 1 by 2 root of a square plus x square into 2x. Dy by dx of constant 0. So 2 get cancelled. So that is x by root of a square plus x square. We apply uv derivative for this x root of a square plus x square. So uv dash, that is u into v dash, x by root of a square plus x square plus vu dash, that is root of a square plus x square into 1. Next, we will find derivative for other part, that is a square log of x plus a square plus x square, that is a square, leave it as it is, log of x is equal to 1 by x, that is x plus root of a square plus x square into dy by dx of inner derivative x plus root of a square plus x square into inner derivative dy by dx of a square plus x square. Now dy by dx is equal to x square by root of a square plus x square plus root of a square plus x square plus a square by x plus root of a square plus x square into inner derivative 1 plus 1 by 2 root of a square plus x square into 2x. Here 2 get cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to x square by root of a square plus x square plus root of a square plus x square plus a square divided by x plus root of a square plus x square into, here we take LCM, that is x plus root of a square plus x square divided by root of a square plus x square. Here x plus root of a square plus x square get cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to x square by root of a square plus x square plus root of a square plus x square. Dy by dx is equal to x square by root of a square plus x square plus root of a square plus x square plus a square divided by root of a square plus x square. Now we have seen the common root of a square plus x square. So we will take LCM as root of a square plus x square, that is dy by dx is equal to x square plus root of a square plus x square whole square plus a square divided by root of a square plus x square, that is dy by dx is equal to x square plus a square plus x square plus a square divided by root of a square plus x square. dy by dx is equal to 2a square plus 2x square divided by root of a square plus x square. By simplification, we will take 2 as common, a square plus x square divided by root of a square plus x square. Here dy by dx is equal to root of a square plus x square whole square. In order to cancel denominator, we will add square root and square for this a square plus x square, that is root of a square plus x square. Here 1 root of a square plus x square and 1 root of a square plus x square get cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into root of a square plus x square. It's the final answer. Now we see next question. Find the derivative of the following. Y is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square plus root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 plus x square minus root of 1 minus x square. We will find the derivative. Dy by dx is equal to, so now in place of x square we will write cos 2 theta, that is x square is equal to cos 2 theta. We will write, so y is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now y is equal to tan inverse of, here 1 plus cos theta value is cos theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta value is sin theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta is cos theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta is sin theta. In trigonometry, we will have one formula, cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So here y is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. In trigonometry, we will have another formula, that is 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus theta. So y equal to tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Here tan and tan inverse get cancelled. So y is equal to pi by 4 plus theta. From starting question, we have assumed that x square is equal to cos 2 theta. From this we can write 2 theta is equal to cos inverse of x square and theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of x square. Now we will write y is equal to pi by 4 plus, in place of theta we will write 1 by 2 cos inverse of x square. Now differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to dy dx of constant is 0, so plus here 1 by 2 cos inverse of x square, that is 1 by 2 into cos inverse of x, that is 1 by root of 1 minus x square whole square into inner derivative x square, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1 by root of 1 minus x to the power of 4 into x square. So the final answer is dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of x square is 2x. So here 2 get cancelled. So that is minus x divided by root of 1 minus x to the power of 4. Now next one, find the derivative of the following function y is equal to x to the power of y, that is, so first we will apply log on both sides. So log y is equal to log of x to the power of y. Log y is equal to, this y will come front, y log of x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Log y is of the form log x. So d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x, that is 1 by y into d by dx of y, that is dy by dx, that is equal to y log x is of the form u into v. d by dx of uv is equal to uv dash. Here u is equal to y and v is equal to log x. d by dx of u dash, that is y, is equal to dy by dx. v dash is equal to 1 by x, that is uv dash, y into 1 by x plus log x into dy by dx. So by simplification we will get dy by dx 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Take dy by dx terms into LHS side, that is 1 by y into dy by dx minus log x into dy by dx is equal to y by x. Now take dy by dx as common, that is 1 by y minus log x into dy by dx, that is equal to y by x. Now do LCM. 1 minus y log x divided by y into dy by dx is equal to y by x. Now dy by dx is equal to y square by x of 1 minus y log x, the final answer. Now next one, x to the power of log y is equal to log of x. Now we apply log on both sides. Log of x whole to the power of log y is equal to log of log x. Now log y into log x is equal to log of log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. We differentiate by the formula uv, that is uv dash log y into v dash 1 by x plus log x into log y 1 by y into inner derivative dy by dx, that is equal to log of log x. 1 by log x into inner derivative log x, that is 1 by x into inner derivative x, that is 1. Log y by x plus log x by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by x log x. So dy by dx log x by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by x log x minus log y by x. Now log x by y into dy by dx is equal to, we will do the LCM, that is 1 minus log x log y divided by x log x. So the final answer, dy by dx is equal to y of 1 minus log x into log y divided by x log square x. Next question, root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square is equal to a into x minus y. Let me assume that x is equal to sin a and y is equal to sin b. From this we can write a is equal to sin inverse x and y is equal to sin inverse and b is equal to sin inverse y. Now we will write 1 minus sin square a plus root of 1 minus sin square b is equal to a into sin a minus sin b. So 1 minus sin square a can be written as cos a and 1 minus sin square b can be written as cos b, that is equal to a into sin a minus sin b. So cos a plus cos t cos c plus cos t formula, 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Sin a minus sin b formula, a into cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Here cos a plus b by 2 and cos a plus b by 2 get cancelled. So cot of, here 2 also get cancelled, that is cot of a minus b by 2 is equal to a. From this we can write as a minus b by 2 is equal to cot inverse of a and a minus b is equal to 2 into cot inverse of a. A minus b is equal to 2 cot inverse a. From starting question, we wrote a is equal to sin inverse x and b is equal to sin inverse y. So sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is equal to 2 cot inverse a. That is, differentiate with respect to x. dy dx of sin x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus y square into dy dx of y, that is dy by dx. dy by dx of constant is 0, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus y square minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So dy by dx is equal to minus root of 1 minus y square divided by 1 minus x square. Here minus minus get cancelled, that is dy by dx is equal to root of 1 minus y square divided by root of 1 minus x square. The final answer. Till now we have learnt about differentiation. In the next class, I will meet you saying another new lesson in Max B. If you have any doubts, post in comment section. If you like this video, click the bell icon and subscribe our channel. Share this video to all the students so that you can help them by saying these lessons.